Want to learn English? Let's go. In today's video, I will be riding around the city on a bicycle and talking about subjects in English, pointing out vocabulary, words, and just showing you the area and what a typical downtown neighborhood looks like here in the United States. As we come around this roundabout, we kind of enter this bike lane. And what's nice about the bike lane is it keeps you away from all the cars. This is our designated lane, and it's only for bicycles. It kind of seems like it's a little windy on this road, but we'll just kind of continue on and see how it sounds when I upload the video. Right now we are coming up to a stop sign, so that means you have to stop. Look left, look right, and then continue on straight. It is a Sunday, which is the end of the weekend. So here to the left, we have a church full of cars. And those cars are parked in a designated parking spot. And you can kind of see here to the left, the parking lot is just full of cars. As we continue on this bike lane, we pass a bus stop to the right. So we do have buses coming down this road as well. Up in front of us, we have a stoplight, also called a traffic light. And since it's red, we have to stop. Got a motorcycle. You don't see too many scooters or mopeds here in the United States. Definitely way more motorcycles. A little about me. My name is Ross, and I am from southern Texas, right on the border of Mexico and Texas. And in that little town, we have a lot of Spanish speaking and also English speaking. I believe that's where I started to enjoy different languages and practice Spanish. A lot of my friends growing up, their parents only knew Spanish. So before cell phones, we had to knock on their door, ask if so-and-so was home, and usually I had to do it in Spanish. So I remember those were kind of the first times I was exposed to different languages, and ever since then I've always wanted to either learn more or teach. So that's kind of how I started in the language industry. I'm about to climb this little hill So I need to pedal a little harder with my feet. Once we get to the top of this hill, we'll start to go down towards that stop sign. So yeah, above the stop sign, you see the number 30. That number represents the street. So we are on 30th Street, and I will wait for this car. So I like this little shortcut. Shortcut means kind of a faster route, but it kind of cuts through this little school. We have to cross over this little speed bump. Oy. And this bike route takes us right over a bridge, which is my favorite part. Look how cool this little bridge is. This area also has trees. All of this green stuff is trees, and on the ground we have grass. But look how crazy this color is. This color is green, really green. Off-roading, that's what we call it when we get off the road. Off-roading. Woo! So this area is one of my favorite spots to ride the bike at. You have all these trees and shade from the sun. This is the University of Texas. So university is pretty much like a school where you can get degrees in all different types of subjects. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video off here, give you guys just a little bit of an English lesson, kind of see how this works. I don't want to go too crazy, and it's pretty boring, so I'll keep it nice and short. But yeah, let me know what you guys would like to learn, and I'll see if I can make it happen. Thanks for joining. We'll see you on the next one.